What's up lads, Rahul here. So I recently got a Huawei P30, the regular version, not the Pro version, and from what I've seen from other unboxing videos, the phone ships with a TPU, transparent TPU case, but for some reason the Canadian version doesn't come with a case. So I decided to get one myself from Amazon. Now the phone is really good, like it feels really good in the hand, but being like having a plastic bag, it's a bit slippery, and as you can see there's a lot of like fingerprints, smudges all over the phone. So I decided to get a case. So doing my research, I found like a couple of cheap TPU cases on Amazon, and the best I could find was the Spigen case. And Spigen being a known brand, I have used their cases in the past, so I decided to go with this case. So let's unbox it and see how the case feels. So this one is made in South Korea. Overall good packaging. Let's see. It's a nice case. It has a nice feel to it. Like the back is a little bit, I won't say it's like, it feels like soft touch plastic. It's TPU, has like a full carbon fiber look to it. Overall the case is good. Yeah, it's flexible. I didn't want to go for like anything too like a hard shell like OtterBox, because I don't like the phone itself is like really slim. I don't want to bulk it up, but still provide a little bit of protection to it. So let's see how it fits. Hopefully it works out. So the phone already comes with a screen protector pre-installed, so at least that's a good thing. So now that the case is on, so it protects the back. You can see the camera lens is protected because of the lip, and like it doesn't wobble anymore. Before it used to wobble, so it doesn't wobble anymore. And you can see there is a lip in the front too. That's going to protect your screen as well, at least from some scratches. Yeah, so it doesn't add too much bulk. As you can see, it's still like a slim form factor, and the quality of the case is really good. I like the black on black look. Yeah, so hope you guys found this review helpful. Yeah, so thank you so much for tuning in. I would really appreciate if you can subscribe to my channel. I will be posting more videos, a review, and maybe the unboxing video of the phone, because I couldn't find any good ones for the P30, the regular version. I know there's a lot of videos for the Pro one, so please drop any comments. I will really appreciate it, and catch you in the next one. Thank you. And the feedback,